Yabalanda, boy. Yabalanda.
Yeah, you
Time
know.
we ain't playing no games, boy. Plus Vele Slender close to our place.
Ah,
Sabalanda,
boy.
boy.
Ah, boy. It's no other choice.
The last game was intense, boy. We had to run from the safe zone twice, boy. Twice.
Mfana. Fella, ayikho i-safe zone ebesikusafe kuyo. All the time we had to run.
All those safe zones, boys. Bese ngithi why roof ivalile kanti it's just
Hawu
a
mfethu.
glitch.
Hayi mfethu nami ngithi hayi ifoni yami iyabheda manje mntana. Should I?
Ngiyazi kanje ke mina le game usalenda sokhona oshonana.
Mntana. Quick things.
Yeah. A pump, boy. I will never run around with a pump, guys. A pump.
Yeah. It's
Ngiyibeka
rare.
phansi same time.
It's rare for us to be in close quarters. And nakhona kuyo le close quarters using a pump is angazi mfethu.
Yeah, but
Akusinto
close quarters kula kufuneka khona igrrr fast.
Amari pump yazo ushaya
Not
1-2
uzamele
umuntu
ushaye
uvale.
igrrr.
The flop with the pump
Yeah,
is that
idamage ye-pump too much.
flop nayo ezinye they shoot just like snipers. Yashaya, ya reload, yashaya, ya reload, yangitshela. Ngoba umuntu ophethe
That's why
rifle
sniper ngingazithandi, boy.
but sometimes
Kunomuntu
it's
okulandelayo, boy.
ulandelela mina.
That nigga might be on the roof. Yeah. He might be on the roof or somewhere, mara khona umuntu okhona. We are no longer alone.
3 niggas, bro. Watch out.
This is a squad, boy.
Yeah,
Wait, where are you? Let's
pulling
locate
up
each
to where you
other,
are.
boy. Let's locate
I'm
each
pulling
other.
up to where you are at.
Awungawari, sengiza lapho ku.
Uyangibona ukuthi ngiva? I'm on the same floor as you. Bayeke bacedane la mfethu. Asingeni ndawo thina lapha. We'll face the winner. Asva, let's go see what's happening upstairs. Esizwe.
Uva, boy.
Esizwe. Asva. Yavala izone.
Bengikhipile le game.
Exactly. Nami
I can't even see my player, dog.
Yeah, wait. Mfethu, I don't know where this person is,
Yeah,
mara
no,
ulapho.
Kunomuntu la.
2. Nangiya. Second floor.
Umtholile.
I found one.
Let's go, boy.
Let's move before we start running from the safe zone like last match, boy.
The airdrop is coming.
Last match was intense, my boy.
Boy. Khanyana.
Yo, there's no car, boy.
There's a truck here. There's a truck here on my side.
Law ukhona. Oh, nah, ngiyayibona.
Uzodrive,
I see. Yeah, you know, Vin Diesel, boy. Yeah, masuka la seyaphi, boy. You already know the routine.
Yeah. It's flawless le routine, boy. Let's change
Aye.
cars. Let's change
Take a
cars.
faster car, boy. Kunomuntu la emva kwethu.
For real?
Yeah, I think it's sure. Ngabe ukuthi khona umuntu la emva kwethu kanti imo ehle lapha. That car ingichayisile.
Yeah, I'm inside.
If we can, boys, vanga le moto indlela yonke.
Yeah, bheka manje, boy. We don't need to run from the zone. There are cars everywhere.
Everywhere, boy. The game lazy le.
The airdrop is coming.
Yeah, I'm inside.
You see what happens when I drive slow?
Drive fast, my guy. Someone just scanned us. Asime la.
Yeah, mbonini.
Asime la, boy. Let me return
Ngifuna
the
kuma
favor.
khona la, boy. Ngifuna zosilanda. Angithi yena uyaskena, mwaze la.
Ah, easy, scared.
Ngithi uyaskena wena.
Ah, scared.
Bonile ukuthi sezingilindile lezi. Anoma uzoza, zomthola ula.
Nah, yeah, no, that's you. Akezi lo muntu sizwe, boy. Ayasa.
Let's take the car and go. And this nigga was here, boy.
Angimskenile, he went out of the range, ubalekile, boy. Ngithing shaya kokugcina scan check is confirm.
Ngazwa.
Uyabona akekho. Asiva.
Ah, he left. He got scared, boy. That does it.
Yeah.
Buki motela ndoda.
Mfethu, last time it was empty here, boy.
The airdrop is coming.
Now, ula, boy. Manje ula.
Yeah. Now.
Engaging enemies. Enemy down. Engaging the enemies.
Check. Oh. Thought we're not gonna find you, boy.
This bro. Yaskena qeda yabaleka.
Hey.
Kunomunye.
Akuphi? Yeah. Ukuphi?
Exploration begins.
Nah, Samuel.
Hey.
You got him. Hey,
One lo, khona umunye sasekhona.
yeah.
Ngathi squad.
Release the dogs, my boy. Release the dogs. Puma, my brother.
Puma, boy.
Nah. Okay.
Squad eliminated. Ngimshaye from outside the window, boy.
Yeah, that
You
was
saw where I
tough.
was standing.
Yeah, that was tough.
Shaye from down, boy.
I'm like,
He was looking at the dogs, kanti hayi mina ngilamva one.
and ngithi Sizwe is in the house. Mengithi ngiyacheck ngaphandle ngithi
Ngibheke ngefastera, boy.
asambe mboy.
Farm. Siye farm na.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
The safe zone is collapsing.
Noma ungecollapse safe zone. Sinemoto manje, boy.
We got
96
more.
health. Nangafa there's cars for days.
Yeah, so on our left there's shooting.
Left.
Khona la uyakhona. Turn right, turn right, turn right. Yeah, I heard it coming from this direction. Avela ipakile
Scan.
avela.
Exploration.
The airdrop is coming.
Drop incoming.
Ah no,
Lezi ezivanga ngale helicopter lezi.
must be.
Yo, kavele imoto eyilapho. So many cars.
Ah my boy. Ah,
Asekula buy station.
oh you need some
Silanda
stuff.
ngeenyawo sifuna sibuyele phakathi kwekar futhi.
And I think let's
Yeah,
stop by
boy.
8 now, boy. There's a lot of cars on this map.
I
Everywhere you
see.
go, there are cars, boy.
I see you, boy. Hey, that gets a drop down. Eh.
Hostile stealth chopper inbound.
Enemy vehicle is nearly done. for.
Mfethu, let's find some cover. Stealth chopper, my boy. Stealth chop.
Engaging the enemies.
Oh, the snipe.
Watch out. K9.
Hey, boy, last baningi, no?
The
My
airdrop
boy.
is coming.
Nah, boy.
Chopper inbound.
Chopper.
Umfana nyaleka yi, but I'm trying to ngifuna ukulanda omunye umjita ngiyambona la. Hawu, zilanda mina lezinja, zilanda mina lezinja. Yo, so many dogs, my boy.
Reloading.
Yo, my boy.
There's 4 people there.
Yo, my boy. The dogs chowed me, boy.
Can still return to the
The
battle.
dogs chowed me, my boy.
Your teammate has
Ah.
Iphelile.
Bombe ngisathi ngiyazivusa, boy.
Shiba.
I'm fine. Let me go, fool. Let me go prepare.
Fine, fine.
Let me go.